Welcome to a Square C&D, where cars, creativity, and design come together. If you're passionate about automotive design, or eager to learn CAD modeling, you're in the right place. From CAD designing tutorials to mechanical engineering simulations, we break down complex concepts into easy-to-follow guides. This channel is all about cars and design, from sketching concepts to understanding manufacturing background through computer-aided design. But it's not just about designing. It's about understanding how things work. We dive deep into mechanical simulations, stress analysis, and real-world applications. Are you a mechanical engineering student looking for Baja or Go-kart tutorials? Or a designer wanting to sharpen your skills? Maybe you're just a car lover, fascinated by the intricate world of automotive design. No matter who you are, here, you'll find in-depth Baja suspension, roll cage and chassis tutorials, step-by-step design guides, and mechanical simulation breakdowns to help you master the world of automotive engineering. Ever wondered how aerodynamics affect a Formula One car? Or how stress impacts a chassis? We've got you covered. We break down complex engineering concepts into easy-to-follow videos, helping you gain real-world knowledge. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of cars and design, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss an upload. Got a question? Want a specific tutorial? Drop a comment. I love hearing from you. Join the community, learn something new, and let's design the future together. A Square C&D, anything about cars and design.